Hey guys, we're going to jump into the A9th chords now. So with your 9th chord, you're really actually adding the second note of the A scale. So that would be a B. All right. Now, the reason we often call it a 9th on guitar is because it sounds great when you play the 9th note from your root note. So you've gone up an octave, up onto that 9th. And you'll recognize this from your turnarounds on your scales. It's that turnaround note, which sounds really cool. So we're going to have a look now at where you would find a 9th. So thinking about it, well, you've got your root note. Then if you go up, there's going to be one right next to it. Okay, so but that's really a second. Okay, so if we go to the B, you can't really play that at the same time. And we're looking for the 9th. So the trick here is to go for your octave. So look for rather familiar sound. Now, when we want to find a 9th, we're going to go up a whole step. So that's 2 frets. Now, just hear these two together. Absolutely stunning sound. Just, they sound even better with a 5th. Okay, now thinking about that, what you've actually got here is a 5th and then another 5th in a row. So just this chord on its own is pretty cool. So just, and look, what that is really, it's a nice little version of your suspended 9th. So that's an A suspended 9th there. Okay, now we want to fill that chord out a little bit because that's just your using 3 notes there. So we've got a whole bunch of other ones to play with. Now we can do this little number. So if you notice there, I'm using my little finger to hit that 9th out on the D string and my second finger down the bottom. And there you go, you get this. Absolutely stunning major 9th. So that's your add chord. And it is just beautiful. Now, the other one that just absolutely stuns me is we'll flip this around into your minor. So a bit of a stretch on this one. Ooh. There we go. So find this chord is not one that you can just rip out easily. Ooh. So little finger down, second finger. And if you'll notice, my elbow is tucked right in for this one. Okay, so I'm trying to stretch across those, pushing down hard. But geez, does it pay off. So that is your minor 9th, minor add 9. All right. Now, might be going, okay, how am I going to pull that off easily? Trick is you can't do it super easy. Now, the great thing is you can move this chord around a little bit because that's 3 notes, right? So you've got your open. Now, those notes, okay, you can move around until you've actually got a nice cool chord. And this is something, if you're playing with a bass guitarist, get them to hit the root note of your chord and then add this in. So looking at this, or maybe we'll go, going here. So what you would have is someone here playing the D, and then you're going to play the rest of that chord. And it's much easier when you get up the fretboard. So very discordant, but if you've got that, all right, so great little trick, not terribly used a lot as well, so you can sneak that one in with a good bass player, or if you're doing yourself a nice little high accompaniment to something that's a bit more simple on your D chord, so like a, and then layer over the top, and okay, so you can start to see that this isn't just, okay, beautiful chord down here, move it up and get some really amazing stuff going on. We'll leave it there, and I'll see you next time.